Ribeye steak for dinner. This is my favorite. Oh yeah. Let's cut it up. Let's see how good this is. Oh yeah, pink right there. That's my favorite. It's the way I like it, medium rare. Oh yeah, gotta make this. I decided to make a bunch of steak for dinner because my sisters and her family or kids are leaving for Thailand in a few days. They visited for Christmas. Here's the mixed vegetables, the steaks, yes, the thick ones and the thin ones. My cast iron skillet. We're gonna cook on the formal kitchen right now. So all this up. Yes, get warm and hot. But wait, the stove is not yet on. Wait, trying to figure out how to light this up. Oh, it doesn't light up. Wait, where is it? Oh, there's my mom helping me. Wait, which one is it? Wait, which one is which? Okay, we light it up with the lighter first. There you go. Okay. Now we warm this up, get it pretty decent, and then we start with the thinner steak. This rib eye, this batch is about less than an inch, about 0.75 inch thick. This is for the kids, my nieces, and my mom and dad. So it's gonna be about five of this, and then the thick ones for me, my sister. Oh yeah, and her husband. It's gonna be really really good. So this one is just about less than a minute. You turn it, or else it's gonna get overcooked. They actually like it medium well, not too bloody, because the kids, they're picky with that. So it's gonna be medium well. And some compound butter on top and on the side, so it soaks in really good. Oh yeah, oh, the smell is really really good. Just the way I like it. Steak. We'll let the compound butter melt, and as it melts, it's about the right time to turn it, like about a minute or so. No longer than 1.5 minutes, because this is not that thick. This is just about 0.75 inch thick. Alright, so we're ready to turn it. We're just gonna turn it just to make sure it soaks up all the butter. Alright. You can baste it, it's also good. This is also okay. Yes, this is almost done. We gotta get it to the plate now. Oh yeah, perfect. Now we add the side of vegetables for the kids and for everyone. There's string beans, sitaw, and some corn. Yes, a good amount there. Oil it up a bit more so it doesn't, burn up easily. Yeah, this one doesn't take too long. We're just gonna, kind of like warm it up on the skillet, and it's gonna be so so good. All right, that's about it. Let's get the plate closer. Yeah. Oh, this is gonna be so so good. Just look at that. It looks so so good on the plate, right? Some string beans and corn. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay, let's get this on the table, on the dining table. My mom is helping me there. She's gonna arrange that. All this up again for the next batch, and some mixed vegetables. So we're gonna mix this with lettuce. So I decided to, just sear a bit on the bell peppers and onions. It's gonna make it so so good. As we sear it good like this, not too long. No, and it's so good now. Next is the other steak, the second one. So there's three more. And then it's gonna be the last three of me, my sister, and my brother. Oh, it's gonna be so so good. Yes, it's gonna not gonna take too long. We gotta turn it so it's not overcooked. Yes. Oh, perfect. Right there. About a minute. Add some compound butter. My mom was pointing like you gotta add butter. She likes to be with the butter, so yes, mom. All right. She said it's not just melting. Okay, we'll spread it out. Don't worry, it's gonna be good. All right, there you go. All right. Then after a few seconds, we turn it just to make sure everything is buttery and all good. Oh yeah, look at that. Yep, we can't cook any longer because it's gonna get overcooked. So we put on the plate. The next one here. Yeah, there's two more or three left or two left. Sorry, sorry. Yes, now we turn this. Oh yeah, looking good right there. Yeah, about a minute, not more than a minute. You can turn because it's not that thick. But if it's over 1 inch thick, then it's gonna be around the minute. It's perfect. But this is 0.75 inches, so I don't go over a minute on each side. We just do the extra turn just to make sure the butter gets on all sides. Yep, there you go. Here with the veggies on the side, with the sitaw or green string beans. Yep, and one last stir so that the butter gets into the taste. You get all the veggies now. Get ready. My mom is getting it now. All right. She's right there, just watching over me cooking this. She took it out so that we can put some corn. Because apparently the kids are loving the corn, so that's a really good decision to add this. I was contemplating on mushrooms or corn, and I was like, corn. Let's stick with corn. And apparently the kids, my nieces, love corn. So, yep, perfect. All right, I'll make this a bit more so it's all warmed up and good. Yep, all ready. Put it on the plate, then it looks really, really good. There you go. All right. Now, next one has to go in. Oil it up a bit. Just make sure it doesn't, so it doesn't, form when it burns. Now here it is. Now this is a thick ribeye. This one is for my sister, the mother of my nieces, because she likes it thick too, and like with my brother. And then of course the last one is gonna be mine. Yep, this one it takes a minute before you turn it. This way it's gonna be like medium rare, you know, not too overcooked. We buttered it up good. Yes. Oh, the smell is so pleasant. Yes, here it is. Now we make one last turn just to make sure everything is buttered up on the sides. Yeah, but this is all good now. Yes. Oh, perfect. Look at that. Yes. Now, the other one. Yes. This one is for my brother. It's all good now. Just 1 minute on each side. There. Yes. Just get a bit of butter and it's gonna be so good. Here, this is all good now. Yes. Oh, yes. Now we throw in the veggies. Some bell pepper and onions just to warm it up before we mix it onto the lettuce salad. It's gonna be so good. Make sure it's all crusty and good, so it has that smoked taste or flavor. All right, there you go. Now my mom is gonna get the plate and mix it with the lettuce salad. It's gonna be oh so amazing because it has butter and all that. So just add balsamic vinegar. Perfect. Now the last batch of the corn, so it's gonna be on the side. Get it all warmed up. Yeah. And of course, let's not forget the string beans, the sitaw. This is such a good, simple combination for the steak. It's also awesome. All right, that's all warmed up. Let's get this plate out. Hand it to my mom. Yes, that's all good now. Don't have to overcook it. We just need to get it all, glazed up and warmed up. Oh yeah. They're already eating, so now it's my turn. I gotta eat. Where's my steak? Where's my steak? Get it on the table. Let's go to the dining table. Oh yeah. Let's cut this up. Ooh, oh my goodness. This is my favorite. Ribeye steak. Medium rare. Just so juicy and perfect. Oh yeah, you guys gotta try this. And yeah, thanks for watching and subscribe if you haven't. This way you can check all the other stuff here.